No one wants it to rain on their trip to the Dells, but weather does play a part in what you can do. In this video, we explore activities that can be enjoyed in the off-season or on a rainy day. Join us as we explore the largest antique mall in the area, the largest craft mall in Wisconsin, a great indoor food truck restaurant, and our favorite find, a store with incredible prices that gives back to the community. Thanks for coming along on our weekly adventure.
Hey, welcome to LoveNesters. We are waterlogged. That means it's been raining like crazy, or if you're sick of water parks, we have a great video for you today.
So we accepted the challenge of having fun in the Dells on a cold, rainy day without kids. Hope you enjoyed the video and see what we came up with.
Thanks for being here.
Thanks for being here. All right, this is what we came up with. This is open, great rainy day activity. We're going to explore this antique mall.
A stroll through the antique mall in the greater Wisconsin Dells area.
Hey, we found Rudolph. You know someone who loves their spoons, so we're always on the lookout for neat spoons. Isn't that cool? That is a hat or wig display item. Look at these sweet christening gowns. Oh, so pretty.
Hunting and fishing items. This place is big. For you bobblehead collectors, the most expensive one that I can see is maybe the Giannis in a brewer. Giannis is going for $38. One of our subscribers, Doug, would love this little. Maybe I should get to pick this up for Doug. $29.95 for the Schlitz beer can. Beer cans, are they making a comeback? Please make a comment if you know if their values are going up or down. Hank Aaron. So that is rookie card. $120. That's pretty cool. Fun fact, Hank Aaron, first minor league team was in Eau Claire, Wisconsin. The world famous Alice Chalmers tractors. Built in West Allis, Wisconsin. Trains, planes, and automobiles. You're gonna find it here. You are gonna find it here. And once again, we find the beer can. For some reason, it just draws me in. This little mini Pabst is going for $7.50. It's, what is that, the 8-ouncer?
It's part shopping, part museum in here. So many neat things. Boy, this antique mall is huge, but very clean, very well organized, and you really could spend a lot of time here. A perfect rainy day activity.
I just found a new artist that I'm enjoying, Kevin Daniel. Vintage snowmobiles. Who doesn't like vintage snowmobiles? Legato Johnson, John Deere, Scorpion Whip, Old Time Arctic Cat, Old Player. I think I've driven every single one of these. Oh, is that a ski rule? Wow, he's covering all the bases on this one. Thank you, Kevin. I like your art.
So they have some really neat tin toys in here. This jungle one sells for $150. This one sells for $260. 160.
just full of die-cast cars. Looks like they range in price from $20 to $40. It's a piece of trench art from 1917. So these old bottles are selling for, I don't know, $5 to $7 a piece. There's some $10 ones. Some of these old fishing lures are going for $25. Wow, here's one in the box for $85. All right, here's one I had as a child, selling for $32. That's one of the fun parts about these antique malls, is finding some toys that you grew up with or you remember at your grandparents' house. My goodness, my childhood right here. The old xylophone's going for $15. The old Fisher-Price phone going for $15. Here's a Madame Alexander doll, only listed at $10, and she's in the box. Here's the Cabbage Patch Kids. Old Coleman lantern marked at $85. Oh, wow, my grandmother had a table that seemed a lot like this. Some great old signs. I'm always amazed at what signs fetch. Old tins do really well too. It's quite a collection of faces. Oh my goodness, that hollow aluminum Miracle Minnow sells for $45. Look at all those antique lures. Okay, those are rather cute. Connected to the antique mall is a craft mall and a winery. All right, so this will be a challenge for me. I'm supposed to be filming, but there's a lot I just want to shop in here. This is a great place with a wide variety of crafts. This is amazing. This is like a lost art quilling. Have you ever done quilling? Put that in the comments. I don't think there's many out there that have.
Look at this beautiful handiwork. Who isn't a fan of the pig?
Looks like they have different vendors all over, and they're just a great variety here. I just love these. This place is huge too. You could really spend a lot of time in here. You can get all your Wisconsin-made yummies here too.
So this is what we're getting. It has to do with the theme of today, what to do in the Dells on a rainy day. It's perfect.
What to do when you're waterlogged.
There you go. That's your new line.
One of our subscribers, Julie, recommended this place. The Grateful Shed.
Well, that was unexpected.
How fun is this? These are actually food trucks right in this building. What a great concept. Absolute fantastic concept. Rainy day activity. You're coming out to food trucks, getting some fantastic food.
Suspended above the bar is an old bus that's fun to explore and have your lunch in.
We even have free foosball up here. What a great place on a rainy day. You can even sit in some of these VW vans and have your dinner.
Hey, we are at the Grateful Shed. It's a food truck place in the Wisconsin Dells, and we ordered the triple taco special.
This should be yummy. It smells fantastic. A lot of energy in this place. Glad we found it.
Thank you, Julie, for recommending this to LoveNesters.
Great tip.
Thanks for being here.
Once you visit Holiday Wholesale, you will stop in every time you visit the Dells. Holiday Wholesale has been family-owned for over 70 years. Their founder, Bud Gussel, started the business in 1951 selling candy and cigarettes from his car. The business, that began with a car and an unheated garage serving as their first warehouse, has now grown to over 350 employees and serves over 6,500 customers. Bud was instrumental in founding a festival in the Dells aimed at helping nonprofit organizations raise money and boasts one of the largest parades in Wisconsin. In 1970, the Dells events named him Man of the Year for his enthusiasm and dedication to his community.
Hey, welcome back to LoveNesters. We are at the Wisconsin Dells at the Holiday Wholesale Shop. What a great hidden gem. It's a rainy day. You have to stop here. Tell us a little bit about this wonderful wholesale shop.
So this store has been here for 15 years. When we built a new office building, we decided to open up a kind of a wholesale outlet store for the public. So there's no membership fees, there's none of that. You can just come in and shop. We're open 6 days a week, and it's all food service and retail products. I believe there's 15 doors of refrigerated and 15 doors of frozen items, anything from fresh sausage all the way down to large shrimp that you just can't get at the grocery store.
Well, the nice thing about us too is that we have a lot of Wisconsin items that are made here in Wisconsin, from anything from salads to cheese. And what we like to always say too is we sell little cookie dough pucks. We make liars out of grandmas year round. So they can come in and buy 2 dozen cookies and bake them as needed. So.
Oh, we might have to get some of those.
Yeah, that's a great item.
Yeah. So during the holidays, we sell cutout cookies, and they can frost them and send them out like they made them themselves. So.
And this business actually started by serving taverns.
Yeah, we still do. We've got 15,000 items.
We're good at back of the bar.
The back of the bar. Yeah, I like that.
Olives, cherries, mixers.
Back of the bar.
If you've had an old fashioned in Wisconsin, you probably had a cherry bitters or something that went into that drink
From here?
From Holiday Wholesale.
Oh my goodness.
Even if it's just the bev nap inside,
Yeah.
there's something in there from us. So
Who knew? What a great hidden gem we found. What was great about this organization is how much they give back to the community. So it's a fabulous place to stop in. They're open early, which is hard to find in Wisconsin Dells. 8 a.m. it's open. You can come in, say hi to Michael and Paula here, get some fabulous deals, and learn the history about a wonderful organization. What a great hidden gem right here in Wisconsin Dells.
Yeah, we love it. If they just stop in and want to say hi, that's perfect.
Hi!
Hi!
Hello! It's my little brother!
Yeah.
Kind of looks like my little brother.
Right. Yeah, come on in.
The prices were fantastic, and we couldn't leave without loading up on the deals.
Hey, someone asked, what can you do in Wisconsin Dells when it's rainy and terrible? We found out.
We found quite a few unique things, some things we've never done before. If you have suggestions of places that you like to do in the Dells, we'd love to hear about them.
And we found a hidden gem today. Thank you so much to Holiday Wholesale.
What a neat shopping experience that was, and great to hear the history of that place. We go on these adventures once a week. We'd sure love it if you would like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any of the fun. Thanks for being here.
Thanks for being here. Paula shared with us that Michael likes the post office. Especially when you have coffee break.
Help me!